Hello everybody, it's Brian Begley from nCloud9 with another one in our series of short videos to teach you how to do simple things in Dynamics 365. Today's topic is managing sequences using Sales Insights. So you might have seen our other video where we talked about using a sales sequence in a lead record. And now we want to talk about how you manage those sequences and maybe a little bit about how they work. So to go into sales sequences, you want to click down in your Sales Hub over on the lower left-hand corner to where it says Sales, and you want to go to Sales Insight Settings. When you go to Sales Insight Settings, you want to open up the sequence area. All right, so I'm looking at my sales sequence section, and I currently have 3 sequences that are existing in my environment. 2 of them are currently active, the new lead nurturing and the opportunity nurturing. And then we have a third one called high volume prospecting, which is currently listed as inactive. When we look at these, we'll look at new lead nurturing. It's active, its record type is tied to the lead, whereas the opportunity nurturing is tied specifically to the opportunity. And it tells us when we last modified and who was the person who modified them. I'm going to open up one of these. Let's open up the new lead nurturing. And when we look at it, we see all the different steps of this sequence. So first step is the sequence starts. And in this case, the sequence is going to be applied manually to a lead. I can click over to my tabs here where it says connected leads, and I can see a list of all the current leads that are assigned to this and what's their progress status. So right now, everybody's at 0 except this Gerard Stevens lead, which has completed the first of 5 statuses. And Brian Begley is the owner of all of these. Let's go back. So we moved back to the lead nurturing sequence, and we're going to show what we can do with this. So first thing we want to do is create a copy of this. So I'm going to click Create a Copy, and I'm going to call this the copy of lead nurturing. We're going to click Save and Edit. And when we create this copy of the lead nurturing, it brings over all of the steps in the prior sequence. So let's go through them. Of course, we have the sequence starts, and then the first step is we send an introduction email. Usually we are going to use an email template. So you're going to want to set up the email template before you build your sequence. So here I have an email template called lead reply, and when a website visit happens. And this is a simple email template. It uses information from the lead to make this a personal